Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to continuously monitor battery temperature of any Android smartphones and tablets. So then for the more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. After that, just scroll down below. Now you'll see here download APK option. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded. Now just click on this open, click on install. So once the installation is done, just click on open, click on allow. So now you can see here, right now my battery temperature is this. So you can see here one green line is showing up. So it will start monitoring from now on, and even you can see a notification on my status bar. As you can see right now, it's showing, and below there is a log for 1 minute or hours, days and months. So you can customize depending upon your needs here. You can set it to 2 minutes also, or hours or days or months. So minimum is the 1 minute, and you can start logging. And below you will see here ring alarm at this much of degree centigrade. So you can enable the temperature alarm also. So you can set this ring alarm also depending upon your needs. And below there is a enable auto start. So you can turn it on if you want this application to get started automatically. And next option is a kill app and exit. So if you want to exit this application, then you can use this option. And the last option here is the notification icon text color. So by default the black one is selected. So if you click on this white, then it will remove the background border. So you can see here, even after minimizing, I can directly access and see my battery temperature on my status bar. And if you swipe down the notification panel, you can see the battery temperature here. So it will continuously monitor battery temperature in the background even after closing this application. So by using this cool application named as battery temperature, you can continuously monitor battery temperature of any Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.